Our topic for today is how to reset this Nissan Pathfinder 2018. So just use this button here. Okay, I will show it to the screen. Then once you go there, you need to press down and up this one. You just need to navigate this button here. This is return. This is per pages. Go up, go down, and you just want to enter, just press this one. So we just go to maintenance and then press enter, and then service. After that, so this one is 3,000 miles. You can change it to 5,000 miles if you use full synthetic. After that, you click the reset button and click the reset button and then press enter. This one I already reset, so I'll just show you how to do it. That's it. Thank you.